We introduce the graphomate chartrix, our new visual for Power BI. Let's set up our basic chart via the chart picker. Here you can stack series, rotate the chart, add deviations, and of course choose another chart type. Let's take a quick look at our new variance waterfall. It is automatically created from a single measure and 2 dimensions. To get a more detailed look at the variance distribution, you can use the Magnify option. You can add additional features via the Overlay UI. Simply click on the background and add a highlight, for example. You can add separators the same way. To edit the highlight, just click on it and set a different start element. With XFL scripts, you can achieve various things. You can use them to conditionally format the chart, or like in this example, automatically span the highlight between the biggest and the smallest value in the chart. There are various ways to handle your data within the chartrix, one of which is freely reordering elements of your dimensions using the sort configuration property. Just select the dimension and drag and drop your elements. The highlight, of course, stays attached to these elements selected through the script. You can download the demo now through Microsoft App Stores and give it a try.